Okay, so now this is part 2 of our Hurricane Survivor self-filtering system. So, you saw the assemble in the first part, so now he's going to tell you what he's done with the second part.
Okay. After we assembled everything, we hooked it up to a regular garden hose. Okay. I tested it already and it worked just fine. But remember now, when you do this and you hook it up to your garden hose, when you first turn the water on, you're going to have your charcoal filtering system is going to come out through. So you got to let it run for a little while to clear the charcoal out of the filtering system, okay? And now we're going to start filling up our containers.
Okay, so just know that this is hooked up to the water hose from outside, the outside water hose. So I'm going to go turn it on so you all can see what it's going to look like. So follow me. Y'all say hey to my baby. Okay, so we're going outside now to cut the water on. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill up those containers. Remember, we had that 5 gallon, we had the 1 gallon, and then we had the 2-liter jug. So I'm going to cut the water on. And listen, you don't have to cut this water on full blast. You can cut on a little bit. And that's what I just did. Now we're going back inside to let you see how to filter your water and fill up your jugs. Okay, hold on. He said to cut it down, the water down a little bit more. I must have blasted it, so give me a few minutes. Okay. Cut it down, sir. Okay. All right. So here we go. Come on, Sass. Now she follows me foot to foot. Okay. Here we go. So now, guess what? Just that quick, the filtering system is working. The water is filtering itself. It already has the charcoal. So now what we're going to do, our first thing we're going to fill this is our 2-liter. Quick and easy. This is clean filtered water. So you can freeze it. Now we have our our gallon jug. And we're not going to fill the 5-liter one yet because I'm going to clean it out because just in case we need to use it for, hopefully we won't have to use it to drink, but to break. Well, he said we're going to fill it up just so we can show you. Okay, so that's it. Now check this out. Hold on a minute. And voila. And how long did that take you?
About 10 minutes to assemble.
So as you can see,
so now if you go to your store and they don't have no more bottled water, and you get nervous, all you have to do is go to your local hardware store. Those items.
There's your filter. And you need everything that's hooked on it. See it? See it? You see it? All of that is hooked on there.
And all this costs about $26 with all the parts. The filtering system, $18. The hoses and the clamps and the fittings came out about $10.
Just look how it's flowing. And what it's doing, you see the filter? And as it come out, filtering, look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. And so, there you have it. 10 minutes. To put together. Again, I'm going to show you how he clamped everything on. Remember that little piece he clamped on to the receiving end? That goes to the water hose outside. I went outside and I cut it on. There goes your water flow. And voila. So, Hopefully this helped you all out. We'll cut this water on before we have an overflow. But that's it. And again, where can you get this stuff from? Your local hardware store. Okay?
And there you go. And you get your lid. That's self-sealed. Put it on. And you tighten it down. So she stay fresh and everything. And again, we're preparing ourselves for Hurricane Dorian. And this is what we came up with. Hope it can help you out.
All right. Bye.